By now, you know how people make money on YouTube and what affects their revenue. But so far, I have only touched on the direct revenue from video views. For many YouTubers, a significant part of their salary comes from third-party companies. And even though they don't make that money from YouTube directly, that's where all of their revenue is initiated. Some YouTubers are partnered up with retailers and have their own promo codes you can use to purchase an item and get a discount. And the YouTuber gets to keep your discount. The items are usually related to the content of the channel so that it can appeal to as many viewers as possible. For example, gaming channels with an audience interested in video games will partner up with stores that offer video games or related items. So, if you buy a game from that retailer for $50 and use the YouTuber's discount for $10, the YouTuber will keep that $10 that you saved. Other YouTubers are affiliates and put links of the products they review in the description of the video and get to keep a small percentage of the money if someone buys the item from their link. For example, someone will review an item that can be purchased on Amazon, and in the video, they will tell the viewers that the link to order the item is in the description. When someone purchases the product, the YouTuber gets to keep a certain percentage of the money Amazon made. A lot of popular YouTubers with a large following have their own online stores where their fans can purchase their t-shirts and other merchandise that relates to the YouTuber or the content that they create. Many people on YouTube also advertise the way the viewers can support them by donating money to them. Sometimes it's a direct donation and sometimes it's a service like Patreon, which allows people to support content creators by donating a certain amount of money per month. Think of it like Netflix, but just for people that you want to support. All these revenue sources do not come directly from the views, but the views initiate the fan base that contributes to those revenue sources. If it wasn't for the following one has, they wouldn't be able to make money in the ways I just mentioned. So, as you can see, as your channel grows, so do your options. If you have a large audience, not only can you benefit from ad revenue, but from third-party sources as well. But at first, you should only focus on getting views and building up an audience. Then, inevitably, sponsors are going to start reaching out to you.